join on Zoom and here also, transparency in accounting. I want to make clear that hospital accounts and hospital accounts are completely separate. There is no fixed. I mean, the Anandmai son contributes to the hospital but doesn't take it 5%. So this is absolute, should be absolute. Okay. There is no confusion on that. And I know it because I am associated. But the real issue is that we must have professional accounting setup and regular auditing by a reputed chartered accountant and professional medical administration person managing this, not one person but a setup, because 24 hours only can be here. So professional administrative hospital administration. And who can be better than Professor Shukla here, who has held all important positions in IMS. Head of department, research, general surgeon, he is general surgeon, then superintendent of hospital, the big hospital, then director, dean director, everything, and director also of PhD. He has successfully attracted more than 2,000 crores funding for the expansion of SS Hospital and IMS. And now, so he is quite experienced how to tap resources. So CSR, corporate social responsibility, CSR fund. Our cancer hospital is more or less whole infrastructure is under CSR. Tata has funded it. I was in the committee and at some stage, so I know it proper. Then CSR fund can be measured, not few crores. To 200 crores, that is big. So if they are convinced that here we have the infrastructure and capability to utilize it. Okay. So CSR funding and Ayushman. 3 years, of course, we have to just improve the infrastructure, general cleanliness, maintain environment, etc., the staff and so on. Somehow we have to manage and have a plan that after 3 years we have sufficient corpus fund from big donations, whose interest can be sort of put into paying salary, etc. Every year we cannot generate, okay, please pay for the salary, please pay for this. This is unstable system. It's not there, it's stable equilibrium. So in administration you have to have some corpus fund also, so that if there is no funding for some salaries, it can be met on the corpus interest. So that is something, this funding is very key component and good accountancy, transparent accountancy. So these two things, if they are there, funding will come. And some network infrastructure such as general medicine, general surgery should be invited. And ICU and maternity care also should not take too much of money. ICU and maternity care. And many cases, poor people, sadhus need ICU, they don't have money. ICU and maternity care. And for sadhus, these people would come to help with money. So sadhus of this city, if they can be cared well, because Ayushman will take care of all the poor people. And we can encourage them to join Ayushman, senior citizen, and now it is extended for senior citizens also. So that also funding will come to us. They don't have to pay a price, but we have to help them getting Ayushman card there. So these are some of the practical road, and the road one is very good. I hope we start moving now. We have been starting there. But Dr. Shukla help should be taken extensive.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm one of the last 40 years. I do not have any experience of talking about hospital tracking and others, but only thing what I want to emphasize that reality marks the place. Suddenly somebody feels something, we just come. And Dr. Shukla Sin's mind, he is the grandson of the So it's a rare opportunity. It's a rare opportunity when he has somehow, because of that, again it's mass that we have all gathered together. Because of his initiative, and others, all have came together and decided that we will have to do something. Let's start. It's mass gracefully. Actually, make us reach that goal. Mass gracefully. We have to work. But one thing everyone has repeated: transparency, number one. Good administrative, the hospital administrative experienced person. And these two main things, which above everybody, Mr. Subramanian will take the, for acceptance, his OP should come from both these things. For transparency, what he has accreditation, what he is saying about the hospital. Even if we do not get the certificate, we see whatever it is. At least we know that what are the deficiencies we are having. These organizations, like money audit, they do the audit for the hospitals. At least we know what are the things are required, what is, which like a common man, like we have just no idea. These are all a lot of new things learned from it. But when he got that inspiration, Mahai Prerana Jali Mutlapas Aya, Ampurata Maka Prerana Maka Ashika Dhan, Proper Jagana Jaya Jaya.
Everyone is okay? Everyone needs to speak? Okay. Jai Ma to everyone. My name is Arvind Bose. For the moment, I try to do something, try to work to the best of my ability and improve the hospital conditions as of now. When we took over, it was not in good shape. I can say that in a milder term. I would put it in a milder term. It was not in good shape at all. But over the years, over this last 1.5 to 2 years, maybe we have been able to bring it up to a certain stage. But there is a lot to be done. I mean, there is no denying the fact that I have been talking to Subroto for the last few months. We met in Kolkata recently before coming here, both of us. So these things apart, before I come to a certain practical aspect of it, I will just try to put in some information in front of people, in front of all of us who are here. The steps that has been taken so far. One of that is that Subroto has identified NABH consultant in Kolkata who will do the NABH accreditation process of the hospital, and it will take, they have given us an offer, it will take about 6 to 8 months, and they will come here, they will stay here, they will send their consultant over a period of 6-8 months, and then they will finally make us NABH compliant, if you can say. That is NABH compliant. Now, as we know, even I was quite apprehensive that whether our hospital is equipped for NABH accreditation. I was pretty much apprehensive that I goes to growth also the kind of infrastructure that we have. We do not have that, we will be failing miserably in any NABH hospital. But I mean, he and some others, they are saying, they convinced me that one of the reasons why high energy age, what he